My name's Gemma Teal, I'm a research fellow. Today's workshop was exploring how the waiting experience can be innovated. So building on lots of work we've done previously around outpatient services, both with staff who work in the services and with people who live with long-term conditions. We were working together as a team of multidisciplinary designers, including interaction designers, product designers and computer scientists. And we were using our skills and our insights from having worked on lots of different health projects to innovate the waiting experience. So today we worked on 6 different briefs, all targeting different aspects of the waiting experience. We also explored the kind of information flow through the waiting environment and tried to understand how we could prepare patients better for their appointments. In the second half of the workshop, we were prototyping some of our ideas. Some of the groups developed screen layouts and ideas for new digital resources. And in other groups, we were looking at how we can better communicate the role of outpatients to help with expectations before appointments.